welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and a good barbecue is only as good as its side dishes. And what better side dish than a yummy vegan spring pasta salad? Let's get into it. Let's get the most important ingredient out of the way. You can't have pasta salad without pasta, so set a large pot of water onto the stove and bring to a boil. Pretty much any pasta will do, but I'm using some classic macaroni. Just boil that per package instructions, and let's finish the rest of our ingredients. Grab your cutting board, we're gonna cut stuff. First, some thinly sliced carrots. Follow that with some sliced celery and chopped cucumber. Finally, thinly slice some radishes and chop up some yellow bell pepper. Now place them all in a large bowl. With our veggies out of the way, let's whip up our pasta dressing. In a small bowl, add your favorite vegan mayo along with some sugar. Flavor that up with some salt, pepper, and dill. A final splash of white vinegar, and this is ready for some mixing. Drain out the pasta and go back to that bowl of veggies. In goes the pasta, followed by our dressing. Give it all a very good mix and throw it in the fridge. Now that our salad has been chilled, let's plate this dish. I put a little more pepper on top of mine just for funsies. This was always my favorite pasta salad as a kid. It always has such a nice distinct flavor, and the veggies give it a really, really good crisp. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what's at your barbecue in the comments section down below. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any future recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
One noodle.